I got this mini electric motorcycle from the dump and gave it to my daughter for Christmas. I also gave her the parts to get it running.
Dear Beatrix, with this seat come all the other parts and labor necessary to get the little electric motorcycle running. Hope you help. Love, Dad.
Next spring we put it together. It's probably almost universal that kids want to be like their parents. And my daughter knows that motorcycles for a time were a big part of my life. I got into off-road motorcycle racing when I was 15. It became my life's focus until I started studying art at the university. She's heard my victory stories, but she's also seen my scars, permanent reminders of pain and defeat. She would never admit it, but I'm almost positive that she has no desire to ride motorcycles. This is actually a huge relief. I'm grateful that she has a strong sense of self-preservation. But when I was her age, motorized vehicles and how to obtain them was an absolute obsession. My father came home one day with a go-kart frame. Just a frame, no wheels, steering, motor, or even something to sit on. Over the years, with his help, and sometimes without it, this go-kart was the foundation for mechanical exploration and imagination. Without having this go-kart to capture and hold my imagination, I don't think I'd be who I am today. This little motorcycle frame is not having the same effect on my daughter as the go-kart had on me. But I'm still glad that I took the opportunity to provide a similar experience for my daughter that my father had provided for me. Now I ride it more than she does, which still isn't much. But I'll tell you, this little motorcycle was a huge help when I was filling the pool from a spring 350 feet away. Several times a day, I needed to quickly check the draw on the pump. It was effective and fun to ride up and down the hill. I'm all right that she doesn't ride it. Motorcycles are dangerous. Make sculptures for a small planet.